Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. Alright, so let's begin the video. First, go to the bottom left of your computer screen and click on the Windows Start button. Next, open your settings. You should see the settings icon among the collection of apps. If you can't find it, you can click on the search bar and type in settings. Once you're in the settings menu, navigate to the left-hand side where it says Bluetooth and devices and click on it. Locate the Bluetooth option within this menu. If Bluetooth is turned off, simply switch it on. Once Bluetooth is enabled, your PC becomes discoverable to other devices. For example, you can go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone and your PC should appear in the list of available devices. If you want to connect other devices, click on the Add Device button in the Bluetooth menu. In the Add a Device window, select Bluetooth. Ensure the device you want to connect is turned on and set to discoverable. It should then appear in the list on your PC. Click on the device you want to connect to complete the pairing process. And that's it. Now you know how to turn on Bluetooth and add a device to your PC. I hope you found this useful. Bye. So that's basically how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.